Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to share a folder on the network like this one. This one is automatically comes with the operating system, so I'm going to create another folder that is we're going to share on the network. So you have so many devices like other computer or laptop, so you can share this folder to other devices. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a folder, let's say on this on desktop, and I'm going to call it like for shared. Okay. In this folder, I'm going to share it to the network. So how do we do that? Oh, the next step is we need to go on this network by network network access, then right click on it and then open network and internet settings. So you can either use this way, right click here and open like that, or you can just type here or internet settings. So it's the same thing. You can see it will bring you here, and then you click here. Okay, you click the network and sharing center, and first of all we have to click this change advanced sharing settings, and then if you take here, and on this we have the private the private, which is kind of profile, the network discovery, and then we have file and print sharing, and then we have gas and public, and then we have the all networks. What you have to do now, you click on the private here, just open it, not close, but just open in case it's closed, just open like this, and then we have to turn on the network discovery. If it's on the turn off, then you have to switch this one, and then we come here to the file and print sharing, then we have to turn on also as well, and then the next thing we have to go to all networks. Let's see, here all networks, and then from here we have to all networks. Here we have to turn this, the sharing, we turn on this. If it's on off, we turn on, and then here we have to use the 1 to 8 bit encryption to help protect sharing connection. It's recommended also, and here we turn off the protecting sharing, which is the password sharing, and then from there we have to save, and then once we save, we close everything, we come back to this for shared folder, and then we have to right click on this, and then we go to the properties, and then here we have sharing, and then we go to advanced. See advanced sharing, and here we click this box, and then after click this, we need to add the permission. We can add also the comments, but for now I'm not going to do that. So we add this group username with everyone, and click on it, and then once because we want to assign permission to this to everyone, so we have to give full control by clicking this allowing box, this one, these two, and then first of all we just this, and then we apply, and then okay, and then we come back here, apply, okay, and then we come here, click this share. On this share we just check for a special user, but if you want for everyone, then we do that, and then we add, and then here the user everyone can read, but you can also give the right like to read and write the folder. It's up to you. You can only read or it's what you want, and then after that after giving the permission level we share, and then here you can see shared, and then we just done, and then we close this services. So what you can do, you just type services here, you search services, and then we have the services comes. We have a bunch of services here. If you expand here, you can see we have a lot of them. First of all, I'm going to look for the service number 1. I'm going to look for function discovery resources publication, and let's see with F. And this one is the function discovery resources publications, and this is a network service that ensures that the devices are discovered in the local computer network, and so it helps me to publish my computer and the other resources attached to it, so it can be discovered on the network. So what I'm going to do, you have to turn this, because here I've done it already. So you just right click on it, and then you go to properties, and then here from manual to automatic. You see yours is manual, so you can make it automatic, and then you apply it, and then you save. And then another one that we have is it's a function discovery provider host, and you can see it here, this one. And what it does is also it's just a Windows service host host the function discover FD network discovery provider. So this function discovery provider host process is an integral part of the Windows operating system. So it's responsible for the network discovery and resource sharing. So it allows your computer to identify and connect to the network devices, and making it easier to share the resources in that network devices. So also you do the same thing. You go to the properties, and then you from manual to automatic here. Okay, and then another one I just mentioned, it was SDDP, and this one is it's just the same. It's a protocol, or you can just call it like a simple service discovery protocol, and it's a protocol developed by the Universal Plug and Play UPnP. So it's a network protocol based on the internet protocol suite for the advertisement discovery network service and presence of information. So that's what it does, and this is, you need to locate it here. Go to S, and this one SSTP, and then we do the same stuff, properties, and then you startup type should be automatic, not manual, and then okay. And then the last one is the one that we mentioned, which is UPnP. You go to UPnP device host, and it's a universal plug and play, as I said, and it's set to the network protocol on the internet protocol that permits network devices such as personal computer, printer, internet gateway, Wi-Fi access points, and mobile device to seamlessly discover each other, presence of the network, and establish functional network services. So we also do the same stuff. What we did, we just make it to be automatic without being started manually. So it's here, it's automatic. So after that, you close this. So and then you go to the Explorer, and you can see it's here. And now I share all kinds of folder. Let's say new folder. And then I can put any, let's say, whatever text, and then inside here you can write whatever news, and then you can save. Okay, so this is now shared to all devices. If you have TV or whatever you have, so it can be seen on there on other devices. So guys,